Hey, so if you want to build a clean professional portfolio website using Webflow, this tutorial will walk you through everything from start to finish. No coding, just step by step. Let's build it. First, log into your Webflow account and click on New Site. You can use a template or start blank. I'll go with a blank project for full control. Start by adding sections and containers. Think of this as the layout of your portfolio: hero, projects, about, and contact. Add a hero section with your name, a short intro, and a call to action button. Keep it simple and clear. Now, create a projects section. Add images, titles, and short descriptions for each project. This is the most important part. Next, add an about section. Talk about who you are, what you do, and your skills. Add a contact form or your email so people can reach you. Make it easy and visible. Now style everything: fonts, colors, spacing. Keep it minimal and consistent so your work stands out. Switch to tablet and mobile views and adjust your layout. Yeah, this is super important for a portfolio. You can add subtle animations like hover effects or fade-ins, but don't overdo it. Keep it clean. Finally, hit publish and choose your domain. And yeah, your portfolio is live. And that's it. You've built a complete portfolio website using Webflow. I mean, now you can share your work and start getting clients or opportunities. Hey, so if you've